And lastly now for a bit of science magic. So we have a container full of rice. The rice is behaving a little bit like a liquid because it is looking like it's taking the shape of its container, and it does flow. And what we're going to do is again talk about sinking and floating. This is a very heavy paperweight, and you can ask the students what they think is going to happen when you put this really heavy paperweight, let them feel it, and they can feel the weight of it, into the rice. Do they think it will sink or float? You're going to get lots of different answers. And of course it depends whether I drop it in, throw it in, or just place it in. I'm just going to drop it into the rice from here. And you can see that it has partly sunk into the rice, but it's partly above the rice. So the next thing you can ask them, well, what do you think will happen if I shake the container around a bit? What do you think will happen then? And again, they might say it's going to pop out, or it's going to sink down into the rice. You're going to get lots of different answers because now there's a lot of movement. I'm just going to put the lid on because I don't want rice flying everywhere, and I'm going to give it a really good shake, see what happens. So here we go. Oh my goodness, what happened? It turned into a ping pong ball. So a little bit of magic, and again you can talk about why did the ping pong ball, where did it come from? If it was under the rice, why did it come to the top, and why did the paperweight sink to the bottom?